So with everything I'm feeling on you, it's this wedged vertebrae L4, right through there. So we're going to get that adjusted, and then two, you had a pelvis that kind of tilted down just a hair. And then this went just a little off up through this area. Serving all those coffees, man. You guys are busy over there. All right, right there, brother. All right, so what I'm gonna have you do first is you're gonna lay on this hip and face me to the left. Cool? Cool, so lay on your, yeah, all good.